If you're experiencing account sync issues in Overwatch 2, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Follow these steps to get your account synced properly. Step 1. Check server status. Before making any changes, verify if the Overwatch 2 servers are up and running. You can check the official Blizzard website or social media channels for any ongoing maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart the game. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve sync issues. Close Overwatch 2 completely and relaunch it to see if the problem persists. Step 3. Verify your account link. Ensure that your Blizzard account is properly linked to your console or platform account. Go to the account settings on the Blizzard website and check the linked accounts section for any discrepancies. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console, clearing the cache can help. For PlayStation, turn off the console and plug it for a few minutes, then restart. For Xbox, hold the power button for 10 seconds to perform a hard reset. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Blizzard support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue and they can help you troubleshoot further. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any account sync issues in Overwatch 2. Good luck and enjoy your gaming experience.